那接下来呢，我们进入到第一个项目的展示，有请 Custonomy。那 Custonomy 呢，使企业能够与 Web2 同样简便的方式进入 Web3 领域，解决企业和用户所面临的所有技术挑战。那下面我们有请这个项目的负责人来为大家做详细的介绍，掌声有请。
Hi everyone, I'm Annie, COO and co-founder of Custonomy. So actually, recently a lot of companies actually start different kind of Web3 projects, and I think that most of them may not have an expected adoption rate. So basically, the crux of the problem is actually a lot of their user is still Web2 user. They don't even know crypto or blockchains. So they don't have a Web3 wallet that could be ready to connect to their Web3 projects. And even CC also mentioned that actually most of the wallets are not accessible to the general public. So if we don't crack this wallet problem, actually it will be a big blocker for the crypto adoption. So basically the market definitely needs some solutions to help the enterprise as well as the consumer to overcome this obstacle. So with this in mind, actually, Custonomy has designed a sophisticated Web3 easy solutions to tackle this problem. So our R&D team actually have designed an award-winning non-custodial Web3 wallet that based on the MPC technology as well as the cryptography principle. So our solution is very easy to use, especially the onboarding process. User can just use a email plus a password and to just doing this information during login. And after that, actually, we will use the username and password to embed into the cryptography to calculate the secret on the fly. So basically, the users won't have any secret or private key stored in any device or anywhere in the cloud. And that actually eliminates the chance for being hacked or being loose. And you may be worried about that. How about if I lose my password? So next steps, I will always going to show you how it could be helped. But at the moment, let us see how easy is the whole product works. Okay, so right now this is just a demo website for NFT marketplace. So user, if they don't have a MetaMask, they can just use their email to do a login. So we'll send a verification code to them, a one-time passcode, and then after that, they just input a password. I think all the Web2 user is able to manage the password, right? But they may not be able to manage the seed phrase. So that's why we just let them to input those things. We can already generate an address for them to use. It's like a shopping cart in your website. Then all your users right now can start to enjoy these on-ramp, off-ramp features that we have integrated with our partners, as well as doing the whole Web3 experience with a Web3 wallet. So if you have a Web3 project, actually you no need to rely on MetaMask. You no need to spend time to teach your end user how to use a MetaMask for them to onboard to your Web3 projects. You can be as simply as using this kind of solutions to help you to increase the adoption rate. So as I said, we are based on an MPC deployment. So because we have combined the technologies of AA and MPC, so if a customer, they forget their password, it is very easy to reset it. And at the same time, because we are providing an MPC deployment, actually we provide a very good position for the enterprise to help or to assist the customer for the whole fund recovery. Remember, right now, if you have just a Web3 wallet, if you need to reset your fund or reset or restore your key, actually you can only ask the FAQ. Simply, you can't even ask MetaMask to help you. But in our proposal, we want the enterprise could have a position to provide better service, better customer experience to the end user. So it is a very good solution for them to achieve this. Moreover, we even go further. We just not provide a wallet, a very simple, easy onboarding wallet, but we also provide a one-click checkout function. So what does that mean? Is we have integrated with a lot of different third-party on-ramp and off-ramp solutions. So right now, from user side, their whole journey is just they can use credit card to buy a NFT, and then the NFT will be safely delivered to their Web3 wallet. And at the back end, we'll automate the whole process. And this experience, actually, we believe that it could greatly enhance the number of people that are going to use your project or use your NFT marketplace. And although everything looks very Web 2 in the practice, but in fact, the whole underlying technology is 100% Web3, and we support multi-chain with top-tier security. We actually integrate everything for our users to get a sophisticated experience. We don't just let them to enjoy the Web3 technologies, but we also preserving the convenience and familiarity of the Web2 usage. So we believe that actually the whole business, the Web2 business is actually an untapped potential in the whole Web3 market. Our mission is to help the Web2 company to embrace the Web3 technology. So all our solutions have to thoughtfully develop to be user-friendly and accessible by the business Web2 expertise and help them to go to the Web3 in a smooth transition. After I launch a product, we already have a lot of interest from the market, no matter from the Web3 or from the Web2 traditional business. We have different sectors like NFT marketplace, traditional, telco, banking. They all think that this kind of solution definitely can help them to do different kind of use case in their life. So talking about Custonomy, actually Custonomy is started in 2020. We are actually the co-founder have developed and patent pending key management, multi-tier MPC technologies. Based on MPC technologies as well as the cryptography principle. All of us have been actively engaged in blockchain since 2013, and we are also a seasoned professionals in Web2 enterprise application. So this unique combination actually provides us a very good combinations in bridging the Web2 and the Web3 world. Our solutions also have got different kind of award, and we are also an incubator in Science Park. So our mission is actually to build the Web3 infrastructure solutions to help the blockchain and the Web3 adoptions to the mass market. And most importantly, is to provide an easier and safer solution for the customers, for the enterprise. So this is our whole solution spectrum. So you can see that we're not just talking about a solution just now is the Web3 easy, but actually we also provide a solutions that can help enterprise to do a self-custody to manage their internal asset. So customer can just download our custody platform to help them to manage their asset on different chain using the single platform. And at the same time, we understand that a lot of enterprise want to tap into the Web3 world. So we can also allow our enterprise customer to white label our solution to start doing their own Web3 business, like building their custody platform, like using our Web3 wallet to enhance their Web3 project adoption and customer experience. And basically, our revenue is based on subscription, but at the same time, we also partner with different kind of other companies so that we can also provide another indirect income from this. And as I said, because we want to be a specialist in helping the Web2, right? We understand that in a Web2 company or in a normal corporation, they may have a lot of specific or unique requirement. So some of our income also will coming from a one-time customization implementation projects. Right now, we already have around $10 million daily transaction on our technologies, and we have around 300 SMEs on board on our wallet, as well as we got 6 industry awards. Actually, I got another one yesterday. So we now have 7 awards received. And by this end of this year, we target to onboard around 15 million of Web3 users. So this is some of the success stories that we have. As I said, we are also able to white label our technologies to our customers. So one of the Singapore partners that we have is to use our MPC technologies to build a wallet, even to build a wallet to serve their customers in Malaysia. And this is also a very good use case because it also demonstrates how easy is our API to be able to used by our Web2 users. What they need is just to build the whole UI and the customer experience. All the security underlying infrastructure was taken care by us. And from the day they contact us, from the day they contact us to soft launch, it's only around 2 to 3 months, including developing their whole UI, UX. And I think this is a very good use case, and the customer is very satisfied as well. And another use case is the Web3 wallet. Okay, I can't show up the name of the company because then we need to keep a little bit confidential until they do a press release. But this is also another local business payment gateway company that they also have an NFT marketplace, and they want to absorb a lot of their Web2 users. So in this case, they also use our Web3 technologies to white label to them and then have their own wallet as well. So this is the customer testimonial from all of our different customers, and some of them are Web3 projects, some of them are using it as a custody platform. And our company actually starting from 2020, and in 2021 we get into the incubation and also finish our seed round. And then in 2022 we start to launch our first products, and right now we are also open our A round, funding round, and our plan is actually to expand to the overseas market like Southeast Asia or even UAE. At the moment, we also trying to launch our cold MPC air gap machine by end of this year. And this is our fundraising plan. And we are open to use a SAFE and then to do a 3 million fundraising round. So we believe that a design for enterprise, secured by mesh solutions, is the most reliable and sustainable one. Thank you.
Thanks for Annie. Ladies and gentlemen, do you have any questions for this project for Annie? 大家有什么问题没有？针对咱们的这个项目，
都可以讲中文的，没问题。
可能大家看了过后还需要再思考一下，但是现在没有问题的话，大家可以在我们的这个展示结束过后呢，下来和我们的项目方然后沟通交流，然后我们在会后也会留出时间让大家多沟通。好，来，这位有问题。
你好，我是用中文就问问吧。然后就是现在6月1号开始，日本也是实行 Traveler。然后就是贵公司的话，我也觉得就是以后可能牵扯到这个问题。然后你们也有准备吗
？OK， 这个方面呢，我们是有准备的，但是我们的主要的业务不是在做这个 travel 的 monitoring， 所以我们这一方面我会跟第三方的公司去合作。OK， 那但是最主要呢，还是我们的客户方也需要做这一点，因为我们的确只是很多的 case 都是一个 technology provider。OK， 所以在整个 process 啦、KYC 的流程啦、KYT 的中间的一些过程，也是需要跟客户一起来去做。
OK， 谢谢你啊，
谢谢。
还有朋友有问题吗？好，那好。没事，我直接有。
对，其实我觉得是这样的，因为咱们是做 MPC 钱包的嘛，那么最近 Multi Chain 出了这个事情，其实我觉得大家对 MPC 钱包的安全性会有一些 concern，所以这一块的话，能不能给大家也就是做一下解读？
OK，一般呢，我们在可能讲到